You can build a Japanese-inspired Shoji lamp with 3D printed parts in an Adafruit Circuit Playground Express. A Shoji lantern is a traditional Japanese light fixture that uses paper panels, usually set within a wooden frame. This project aims to modernize the concept with LEDs and 3D printed parts. Each panel features geometric shapes that are inspired by impossible objects. The 5 panels are 3D printed in 4 different colored filaments that diffuse the NeoPixel LEDs that are built into the Circuit Playground Express. You can change the colors of the LEDs with an IR remote. The numbered buttons let you cycle through different colors, and the brightness is adjustable with the arrows. The panels just slide in between the frames, making them modular so you can mix and match different designs. Following traditional woodworking techniques, the frame is assembled with no hardware fasteners or glue. The frame uses sliding dovetails to create parts that fit together, making strong joints that are resistant to being pulled apart. The Circuit Playground snap fits into the center of the bottom panel, which locks into the frame assembly with access to the USB port. The edges of the panels are secured within the grooves of the frame, keeping them locked in place. In the CircuitPython code, a list of decoded IR commands have RGB color values mapped to the buttons on the remote. Whenever a button is pressed, the REPL outputs the decoded IR command, which can be used to map different buttons on the remote. To learn how to build your own desktop lamp, check out the guide at learn.adafruit.com. The CAD files are free to download and can be customized to fit different electronics or components. It's also parametric, so it can be resized to make a larger version or reference for making new panel designs.